Hello everyone. Today, I am going to the supermarket. I need to buy some groceries for my home. I like going to the supermarket because there are so many things to see and buy. Come with me and let's shop together. Now I am inside the supermarket. First, I take a shopping cart. The supermarket is very clean and bright. There are many sections, like fruits, vegetables, snacks, and dairy. I can also see many people shopping happily. Now I am in the fruits and vegetables section. I pick some fresh apples, bananas, and oranges. The fruits look very fresh and colorful. Next, I take some vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots. I always try to choose fresh and healthy food. Now, I move to the dairy section. I take milk, butter, and cheese. After that, I go to the snack section. I pick some biscuits and chips. Oh, I also need bread and eggs. My shopping cart is getting full now. Now I go to the billing counter. I put all my items on the counter. The cashier scans each item.
I pay the bill using my card.
The cashier gives me a receipt and a bag. Now, my shopping is complete.
I am going back home. I enjoyed shopping at the supermarket today. Now, I put all the bags in my car.
I carefully place them in the trunk. Now, I sit in my car and start driving. I am going back home. I feel happy and relaxed after shopping. It was a good day. Which item do you buy the most? Fruits, snacks, or dairy? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to learn more simple English, subscribe to my channel, Englify with Yagya. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.